Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today's question is how can I promote my book on LinkedIn? Thank you, glad for asking, because there are so many ways how you can promote your book on LinkedIn. Now let's start with some of the basic. You can use your LinkedIn profile to promote your book. For example, you might include a header image which is featuring your book or like a 3D mockup of your book. You might even include a URL where people can get the book, or you might include something like the Amazon logo, so people know they can find it. Amazon, Audible, wherever you're publishing your book. So as people doing their own research, they can find it. You can include your book title in your headline. For example, you could say author of, and you can insert your book title. And if your book title is fairly descriptive, it will really help people to get more interest in this and like check your book out on Amazon or Google you. Now, the next thing what you can do is you can use your description. You can share the way more details about your book, like where to find it, how many pages it has, what it's all about. Or you could share the summary of your book and then like links to different stores so people can buy it, or the ISBN number. What you then can do is you can use the featured section, which is really cool because this allows you to share external links. So you, for example, you could link directly to the relevant page on Amazon, or you could link to your, if you have a book specific website or like a specific page on your own website about the book, send people there. And then on this page, you might share different links to different online stores. So it's really easy for people to find your book. That's just for people checking out your LinkedIn profile. What you can also do is, of course, you can use content marketing, which is probably the best way how to promote your book on LinkedIn. And what you can do is you can share little snippets from your book, little text only, or you can combine text plus picture, text plus video, little short clips where you highlight some of the lessons from your book. And then you can always tell people if they want to learn more about similar tips, they can check out your book, and then you can explain how people can buy it in your video or in your text description, and maybe even include like a direct link to it. Those are some of the easiest ways how you can promote your book. I highly recommend promoting your book on LinkedIn, specifically if it's like a business related book. It's one of the best platforms with one of the highest quality of end users. Now, if you want to learn more about how to promote your book on LinkedIn, also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I basically teach how to build an entire LinkedIn sales funnel for any product in any market completely from scratch. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.